If you're looking for a powerful, lightweight MacBook, this is your sign. The MacBook Air is known for being ultra thin and portable, but did you know it can handle way more than you think? Whether you go for an M-chip model with blazing fast speed or an Intel version at an even better price, you're getting a laptop that's perfect for work, school, and entertainment. And the best part? You don't have to pay retail prices. Shop gently used MacBooks at a fraction of the cost. Find the perfect one for you. Browse now on Swappa.